Yo, welcome back to They Call Me Locksmith, and today I'm in Stevenage where I train at the Rise Gym. I'm training with a very special guest. I don't know, should I tell you now? Should I tell you after? That will tell you after. So my special guest today is Miss Carli Jay. Now let me give you a bit of background information on Carli Jay. Carli weighed 127 kilos. That's nearly 20 stone, people. Now, Carli made a conscious effort to change her lifestyle for a better quality of life. Now, not only did she lose weight, she decided to lose half her body weight within 2 years. Now, that's not even the special bit. The special bit is the fact that she done this all by herself. No trainer, she did this solely by herself. Now, I need to meet the beast that is Miss Carli Jay. Now, in fact, not only am I gonna meet her, I'm gonna train with her. So let's go train with Carli Jay at the Rise Gym, Stevenage. Let's do it. So here she is,
Hey
Miss
guys.
Carli Jay.
Thank you, thank you.
It's been a long time coming, right?
Yeah.
This is the funny thing about Carli. I went to Australia, where you're from,
Yeah, Sydney girl.
and we arranged to do a training session, and I cancelled on her because I extended my stay in your hometown.
Yeah, well at least it was for Australia, so I don't mind if you cancel on me for that reason.
How you doing today?
Yeah, I'm really good, really
Yeah?
good. Looking forward to it.
Cool. So what are we training today? What are we doing today?
I thought we'd do a little bit of back, a little bit of shoulders as well.
All right,
Get
cool.
some warm up going on the cardio as
Yeah.
well for you.
All
So
right,
get
cool.
your sweat on.
So we're doing back and shoulders today.
Yeah.
All right, let's do this. Let's train. Let's do this, Miss Carli Jay.
So being a beast is very different, I think, to telling someone how to lose weight. Would you like your jacket?
Are you carrying my jacket? I'm used to this service. I'm like a pop star, so thank you.
All right, we're going to do some shoulder press warm-ups, and we're going to do some rows as well for back, just to start warming up, and then we're going to move on to cables. All right, you ready? I got to get your arm in, don't worry.
Oh, what? We're doing arms?
Yeah.
We're doing arms.
Okay, you ready? Just do as
Just
many.
saying that your one's a lot better than mine.
Precious,
Babe,
would you like
I'm
another
not a
weight?
diva or anything, but look at this.
Diva.
That
Pop
one's
star?
better. I'm joking, let's go. And my booty
Your
out.
booty out.
Booty out. Booty out.
Do the thing.
Carli's killing me here right now. She's putting me through it. Back and shoulders.
This is just a warm-up, baby.
Look at that big chest coming out, baby. like, you know, just here, there's a mirror over there, and you look, oh. You ready for this? Oh, look at it, she's trying, look what she's done. Come here. Just before she changes it, she's changed my weight. Look how much weight's on the left side and look how much is on the right. Right, does she want me to go home today or does she want me to go A&E? So there you have it. We've finished our session. Miss Carli Jay has put me through my paces. Like back and shoulders are killing me.
Supersets, reps on reps.
I love that. Beautiful thing about this young lady here, all she does is laugh. She's like a Duracell bunny, literally. I promise you, we've done this take like 3 times and she's laughed exactly the same way. Jeez. But you know what? I love the session. We're here at Rise Gym, the Rise Gym in Stevenage, a beautiful gym. Make sure you come down here and check it out. If you've liked this session as much as I have, make sure you like, share and subscribe. And if you didn't like it, make sure you hit the thumbs down button twice. They call me Locksmith.
They call me Miss Carli Jay.
We're out. Peace. When I'm in the gym, I get down. Watch it, watch it. Ooh. Oh, catch it. Put it in my pocket. Take it out. Yeah. Shoot it down.